decades. Russian forces are evacuating residents from the town that serves the Russian-occupied Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant in southern Ukraine, the Ukrainian military said on Sunday. Ukraine is expected to start soon a much-anticipated counteroffensive to retake Moscow-held territory, including the Zaporizhzhia region. The Ukrainian army conducted combat and radiation drills on Sunday on an undisclosed training ground in the Donetsk region, simulating attacks on Russian positions. The assault brigade fighters said they trained with thermal grenades that could kill the adversary in their trenches in an instant. A dress rehearsal for the Victory Day military parade took place in Moscow on Sunday, with pilots of military vehicles rolling through the streets of the Russian capital. Thank you.